Just like you would plan a route to a destination using Google Maps or Waze, an e-commerce roadmap is going to help you plan an effective route to get to making your site more effective and performing its best to maximize revenues. If your site is feeling tired and slow, or if you have broken apps, the user experience is not as strong as it could be, then creating an e-commerce roadmap to help you identify where those problems lie and then address them in the proper order can help you get to that point. Ultimately, the roadmap should provide you with an actionable plan of fixes to make to your site that are going to get you to that destination, which is increasing or maximizing the opportunity for conversions. Try to go beyond the regular CRO and SEO type analyses. Try to take a deep dive and take a look at a number of different areas that could be affecting the performance, not only on the back end, but also on the front end. So first, take a look at your site's code. Is it old? Is it dated? Is it broken? Are there pieces of old code that might be interfering with the operation of the site? Then take a look at features like your applications. Are the applications the right applications that you want on the site? Are some of them broken or outdated? Is there old code being left behind from some of those? You might want to clean those up or replace certain applications that don't fit anymore. Take a look at accessibility issues. Can everybody use your site? Can everybody get to it? Not only is it a good thing to do to make sure that everything or everybody is included, but it's also the right thing to do, obviously. Then take a look at user issues as well. Take a look at things like site speed. Take a look at things like checkout friction. How does it look on mobile? Can people find products easily enough? And can they get checked out easily? Take a look at all these factors and bring them all together, and this is going to help you create your roadmap. The next step is to go through prioritization. That is, prioritize in the order of importance as related to how the fixes are going to affect your site, but also be aware of how one fix is going to affect the fix that comes after that, and so on down the line. Keep updating your roadmap as you go along. Make sure to give yourself enough time on the roadmap. Usually we like to recommend at least a 6-month implementation period so that you have time to put in place the changes that you're going to make, see what the effect of the changes are, go into your analytics, and come back and reprioritize according to the results that you're seeing. Make sure that you keep updating your roadmap. As you're making changes and new implementations, the effects need to be tracked and analyzed, and considerations need to be made about what's your next step going to be. Does it make sense to continue with the direction of the roadmap, or maybe we need to do a course correction? Finally, if you don't have the time to do this in-house, or maybe you just don't have the resources, find a qualified developer who has experience in building sites and working with platforms and has the capability to be able to create this roadmap and be your strategic wingman along the way and make recommendations to you.